Hello guys, good afternoon. Did you know that 1,000 people, over 1,000 people were killed in the earthquake that hit central Morocco last Friday? Did you know that up till this moment, workers are still digging through rubble looking for victims of this accident? Did you know that the earthquake was about a 6.8 magnitude, shook Morocco's high Atlas mountain shortly after 11 p.m. this past Friday? Did you know? Reports from various sources said at least over 1,000 people were killed in this earthquake, and more than 700 people were critically injured. They were critically injured, and up till now, they are in critical condition. Let's pray for the good people of Morocco. We take this very serious. Pray for the people of Morocco. Now, saints here. These are saints of the incident that took place. Many of you people probably did not know. These are saints of the earthquake that shook central Morocco. Wash and be blessed. And please don't forget, like, follow, and share. Thank you.
Look at the car. Dancing.
هلا سلامتنا يا رب. هلا